So today we're going to be doing a Photoshop tutorial and we're going to show you how you can blur an image. Now this is just a general blur, but this is the most effective way that you can blur an image, and it's very simple. So as you can see here, I've already opened up an image in Photoshop that we're going to blur, and all we have to do is come up here to the top bar, click filter, scroll all the way down to blur. You're going to come out to this pop out menu just here, and you're going to click Gaussian blur, or however you say it, I'm not quite sure. But you click that, and you can see here this little menu pops up quite here. We can use this window here just to have a look around the scene if we're trying to blur something very specific, or wanting to see how sharp it is without having to zoom into the image. So what we can do is here, you can also see that we can also see it on the full image as well. So you can see if we take the blur down to 0, or the radius should I say, to 0.1, and then if we crank it all the way up to the max, it'll give you a full idea of what the image is with the blur. But this can be very handy if you want a background image and you want to soften the image so it doesn't stand out too much, if you want to put other elements on top of it. So you could do something I'd say an 8 is a good starting point, and then you could put other stuff on top of an image. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe.